Your dream home may be closer than you think when you start with richmondcustomhomes.com. Did you know your home can actually help you generate income? Home equity is the difference between your home's value and what you owe on your mortgage. As your home value increases and your loan balance goes down, your equity grows. You can access this equity through options like a cash-out refinance or a home equity loan. Many homeowners use this money to invest in rental properties, renovate their home to increase value, or consolidate higher interest debt. The key is using your equity wisely, investing in opportunities that can generate returns or increase your net worth. When used strategically, your home equity can become a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.